Welcome to my channel. Setup Starlink Router. The first step is to unbox your Starlink package. Configure dish, stand, and cable. Insert the cable into the dish through the opening at the bottom of the mast or stand. You'll see there are two sides to the cable, straight and elbow, and the straight end goes into the dish. You'll hear a click sound as the cable is seated properly. Decide a place for the dish. As the mast is secured in its place, it's time to hop onto the roof and install it properly. But before we do that, it's important to locate a good spot for your dish. Download and install the Starlink app on your smartphone. Log into your account by putting in the provided username and password. Search and tap on the Check for Instructions tab. Go through the instructions and click I am ready. Point your smartphone to the sky and point at the directions the app asks for. Once you're done, tap on View Results. The blue area on the earth indicates the optimal viewing angles of the dish, while the red area indicates obstructions. Mount the dish and run cable. Fix the mount on the roof using pushing screws through the aperture of the mount, and make sure it stays strong. Then you run the cable to the Wi-Fi router. You can lead the cable through a window, as I did initially. Or you can drill a hole into the exterior wall when you're complacent with the router position. Once the cable is inside your house, plug the elbow end into the router, and the router into the power plug. As soon as it's powered up, the dish starts to realign itself with the satellites. In the Starlink app, find the Settings tab and navigate to the Wi-Fi tab. There you will find a temporary SSID with the name Stinky or Starlink. Connect to it and proceed. It will then ask you to configure a new username and password. Once you save it, the internet is now ready to use. You can use this app to take control of the internet by checking through the connected devices, status, any obstructions that might be hampering the dish's performance, and the speeds you get. Go back to the Wi-Fi Settings tab and connect to the network by putting in the password you just created. Thanks for watching.